Good afternoon, folks. Hope you can hear me. There's a little bit of wind knocking around. I've come up, this is just up the lane from me, towards Foel Fenlli, which is in the Clwydian range in North East Wales. It's a bit of a grey day. There's a lot of mist about. There has been the last couple of days, but at times it's the best place to be at times like this, because there's my car, there's a few sheep, and that's pretty much it. I'm the only one here, just how I like it. Don't really know what I'm doing here today, to be honest with you. There might be some views to see looking down onto the valley. I'm not too sure. I'm not entirely sure where the cloud line is exactly, but gonna have a little potter about and see what we can get. Yeah, so bit of water on the lens. There's not a lot going on here today really, but it's good to be out. You've probably noticed a lot of people on YouTube recently going on about using telephoto lens in landscapes, just something that I adhere to quite a lot myself. A lot of you probably know, especially if you follow me on Instagram, that I love shooting landscapes with an 85mm focal length, which is essentially a sort of short telephoto lens. I've been doing very much the same thing today as well. I've moved, you can't actually see the car anymore, it's just over the brow of the hill there, but I've come maybe 200 yards from the car, and using the 35-100 lens from Panasonic, i.e. a 70-200 lens in full frame terms, that's all I've really used to take any shots. And I think just wandering around maybe a 50-yard radius, I've got a few shots out of it. I do love, one thing I really love, especially here in North Wales, you can probably see the cloud just floating through the conifers there. I love that. I just love it. Something about it. I could happily just take pictures of treetops with a bit of rain drizzle and I'm happy. So simple. Not really a great deal needed doing in post-processing either. So yeah, I just love them. Really simple, easy shots. And that has to be another reason why I love shooting Micro Four Thirds now. As you probably know, I've got two Lumix G9s, and I'm using almost exclusively Lumix lenses, or like Lumix Leica lenses. So all the shots today, I've been using the 35-100mm f2.8, which is equivalent to 70-200mm in full frame terms, and look at the size of it. It's tiny. Like, imagine if you had the, I don't know, the Canon 70-200 Mark II f2.8. That'd be like bigger than my face. That's the kind of thing that I'm using every day for one of my work jobs. And this is so light. I'm just carrying it around in my pocket. So I'm vlogging with this one, the 12-35. Just carrying that one for my stills. One camera, little mini tripod, microphone, that's it. I don't know why I've got my bag with me, to be honest. And then if we have a look at the 85mm, for me it's a 42.5mm. Look at it. It's tiny. This is the Lumix f1.7 42.5mm. I would love to at some point get the Panasonic Leica. I think it's not deluxe, f1.2. That's, at the moment, that's one of my sort of photography gear goals. Yeah, I would love to have that lens. But this one, even this is superb. You might hear it rattling a little bit. That's your stabilisation. Yeah, dual stabilisation with the G9, which is, what is it, 5.5, 6 stops. It's mad. Anyway, I'm just raving about Micro Four Thirds now. There's not much else here, so I'm going to take another shot of this cloud right now, and then I've wandered back to the car with 42.5, and then see you back at home. I don't actually know why I said that. I'm going home, but I'm not taking you with me. It's nothing personal. Yeah. If you like this video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it 2 dislikes. Hit subscribe if you want to see more, down in the corner there. And the little notification bell as well. That means you'll actually be notified when I post new videos. Yeah, I'll see you then.